How to add your name on your lock screen. This is what I'm going to show you how you can add your name onto your lock screen. So to do this, first go to settings, and then in settings you move down to display and brightness, and then in display and brightness you move down to personalization, and then in personalization just move down to lock screen, and then lock screen just move down and then add text on lock screen. Tap there and then write in your name or anything that you want to add onto your lock screen to be added. After that, you save. Simple as that. Yes, first go to settings, display, personalization, and then lock screen, and then add text on lock screen. Yes, that's how we add your name or a text on lock screen. But remember, I'm using a Technophone, and the steps may differ for different phone models. Yes, that's in case you're using a different phone brand. But what I know is the procedure, the knowledge remains the same. As long as you can locate a lock screen, you will be able to add text onto your lock screen. If you cannot locate your lock screen settings, just go to setting, open settings, and then the search bar, just go to the search bar and then search lock screen. So in locks, when you search in settings, you go to the search bar and then search for lock screen, and then the lock screen tab will open, will pop up, and then you tap on it. And then when you tap on it, check in and then look for lock screen settings, then add text onto your lock screen. Yes, that's how we add text onto your lock screen. Thanks for watching, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Texter. Like this video and then turn on notifications so you don't miss out when I drop a new fresh video. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Big up.